Good day po, teacher. So ngayon po ay i-update ko po kayo about po sa performance-based bonus, SARO. Dahil po marami pong mga regions ang wala pa pong SARO para po sa kanilang performance-based bonus at sa ating first tranche salary increase. Okay? So, una po is regarding po sa PBB po SARO ng Region 10. So, meron po tayong nakuwang news na meron pong sagot ang PBB Secretariat regarding po sa status ng SARO ng DepEd Region 10. So, nakalagay po dito na DepEd Region 10 were previously returned to the central office on August 12, 2024. So, you may contact your PBB focal persons for details. So, for DepEd Region 10, so maghintay pa po dahil binalik po yung ating documents, no? Doon po sa central office. So, ang po natin maghintay pa po. Next is yung PBB SARO naman po ng DepEd Region 4A or yung sa Calabarzon po, no? So, sabi rin po ng PBB Secretariat na nakuha po nating mga response po, no? Sa different yung PBB SARO po ng DepEd Region 4A were previously returned to the DepEd Central Office last August 22, 2024 at ibig sabihin po nun ay meron pong kailangan ayusin sa document. So, ganun din po for Region 4A. So, we need to wait a little longer para po sa SARO ng ating performance-based bonus dahil kailangan po ng SARO bago po ay tuloy-tuloy na makapag-release po ng ating performance-based bonus. So, we have Region 10, ang na-cover po natin. So, binalik po sa DepEd Central Office and then followed by Region 4A. Then, next po is ang PBB SARO rin po ng DepEd Region 6. So, sabi po ng PBB Secretariat, yung Form 1.0 was previously returned on last August 13, 2024 sa DepEd Central Office due to inconsistencies in the entry. Example for duplication in names and wrong counting of months of service with the data generated from the DBM's Government Manpower Information System. So, katulad po ng nakaraang na previous two regions po, ang DepEd Region 6 po kanilang SARO ay binalik din po sa central office. So, next po is we have Region 2. So, mga naghihintay po dyan sa mga tiga Region 2. So, same po sa Region 6 ay binalik din po ang SARO was previously returned on August 2024 to DepEd Central Office. Same problem din po due to inconsistencies in the entry. Example po in duplication in names and wrong counting of months of service with the data generated from the DBM's Government Manpower Information System. So we need to wait pa po, no, for the Region 2 for your SARO bago po ma-release yung ating performance-based bonus. So meron pa naman po, no, kaya lang yun nga may correction. So kailangan ayusin para po tuloy-tuloy na po yung pag-release po ng ating performance-based bonus. Next po is ay parehas lang po. So we have Region 2. Next po is we have Region 11. Ayan po, may nakuha po tayong screenshot from the different groups na yung PBB, no, SARO ng Region 11, Form 1.0, previously returned to the DepEd Central Office on August 2022, 2024. So, gusto ko lang pong sabihin sa inyo na ito pong mga data na to or information were gathered po from different DepEd groups. Next po is we have ito po, Region 4B. Nabanggit na po natin yan. Ito po yung screenshot na nakuha po natin sa group. And then, good news naman po tayo. So, may nakuha rin po tayo news na yung School Division Office of Roa City sa Western Visayas. Salary for August and salary differential from January to August 2024 are in. So, kudos po and congratulations po sa SDO Rojas and mga teachers po dyan. And I'm sure baka tuloy-tuloy na po yung mga pag-update po ng salary differential po dyan sa Western Visayas. So, yun lang po muna teachers, yung ating mga news na nakuha po. And i-update ko po kayo kung meron pong bago pong news about SARO of different regions and ano pa pong mga division ang nakapag-implement na po ng salary dip. So, please subscribe po and hit that notification bell para updated po tayo kung meron pong mga bagong balita about PBB, salary differential, and DepEd news and updates. Yun lang po at maraming salamat!